Hi and welcome to this DCP Web demonstration video. The goal of this video is to demonstrate DCP Web's content management system. In this video we'll look at various tools which can be used to update a website. We'll use DCP website to demonstrate these tools. In the first example, I want to show you how simple it is to add new text information. Here we can see the introduction text for DCP and we want to add a bit more information here. To do this, we're going to log into the control panel and we're going to go to page administration and then pages. The first page listed is the home page, so we're going to edit the home page. In this example, I want to add some more introduction text. I've already prepared the text, so I'll simply copy and paste that text here. It's only a few lines, but you can add as much text as you like. Let's scroll down and save the content. We'll go back to the website and we'll reload the page. Here you can see the new text has been added to the page. We can add as much text as we like and we can edit text information and change text information on any page. Adding new text content and editing text content is super simple using DCP's content management system. In the previous demonstration video, we added some new text information to the introduction section. In this video, I want to create some new links. Let's log into the control panel and we're going to edit the home page again. Here we can see the new introduction text we added previously. I want to select the website design portfolio text and create a link. I'll highlight the text and then click the link button here. I'll paste in the URL and I'll click the OK button. I also want to make a link to the contact page. Now that I've created the links, I can simply scroll down and click the save button. Let's go back to the website and reload the page. Here we can see the two new links. If I click on the website design portfolio, it will take me directly to the website portfolio section. If I click on the contact us, it will take me to the contact page here. In the next example, I'm going to update the image slider located on the DCP homepage. I'm going to use the content management system to complete this job. At present, there are 4 slides located on the homepage. Each slide transitions after 4 seconds. I'm going to log into the website control panel and go to page administration, slider, and then the slides. I'm going to add a new slide and I'm going to label that slide. In this example, we're going to add Imperial Waters. I'm going to click on the File Browse button and I've already prepared an image. I'm going to click Open and Save. The new slide has now been added. As default, when a slide is added, it's given a position number 1. You can see there's 2 at position number 1, so we need to just reshuffle the order here. In this example, I'm going to make Jedi Robe number 2, Gonson's number 3, Cafe Thrift number 4, and Let's Get Quotes number 5. If I click on the position button, I can see the ordering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go back to the website and reload the home page. The first slide now is the Imperial Waters website. We can scroll to the side and see the other examples. In total, there are now 5 slides. In this next demonstration video, I'm going to add an image to the homepage introduction text. Let's log into the control panel. I'll go to the pages section and edit the homepage. In this example, I want to add an image to the right hand side of this text content. I'm going to move my mouse cursor to the top left. Let's click on the image upload. We'll browse on the server. I'm going to select the demo files folder. Let's browse on the computer, and I've already prepared an example image here. I'm going to open the image and then upload. Let's click on the image and then select the image. In this example, we're going to delete the width and height to ensure the image is fully responsive for mobile and tablet devices. I also want to set the image to the right hand side. Let's click the OK button. Here you can see the image has been added to the right hand side of the content. Let's scroll down and click the Save button. Let's go back to the website and reload the page. Here you can see the image has been added to the right hand section. The text is now left aligned. In this next demonstration video, I'm going to use the CMS system to add a news item. As we scroll down the home page, we'll get to a section called Latest News. Here we can see various news items. Each news item consists of a date, a thumbnail, a title, and a short description. When we click on the thumbnail, we'll see the detailed view of that news item. Here we can see the same title, we can see a date, a different image, and the main description. Let's log into the control panel and we'll go to Page Administration and News. I want to add a new news item. We're going to use today's date, and I've already prepared some content. So let's put in a name for the project. We'll put in a short description for the news item. And we're going to click this Maximize button. This is the full description area. Let's click on the image button here and click on Browse on Server. I want to add a news item, so I'm going to click on the news folder here to add a news item image. I'm going to click on the Browse button, and I've already prepared an image. I'm going to click Open and then Upload. Here we can see that new image. Let's select it and then click the Select button here. I'm going to delete the width and height. This will ensure the image is responsive for mobile devices. Let's click the OK button here. Here we can see the new image. I'm going to hit the return key to move the cursor down to this section here. Now I need to add a full description. I've already prepared the content, so I'll cut and paste that in. Let's block justify this text. I'm going to minimize the screen, and I want to add a thumbnail. So let's click the Browse button and select the thumbnail I've already created. We need to add in a title here. We'll add in some keywords, and we'll add in a short description for the metadata. Let's scroll down and click the Save button. Let's go back to the website, and here we can see all of the news items. We can see our latest news item that's been added just now. Let's click on that news item, and we can see a different image. We can see the date, the title of the news item, and we can see the main description. I've already prepared the links here. In this next demonstration video, we're going to use the CMS system to update the website navigation. At present, there is a home page, a website design section, a graphic design section, an internet marketing section, the portfolio, the blog, and a contact us page. In this example, we want to update the website design section and add a new element called e-commerce website design. To do this, we're going to log into the CMS control panel. We'll go to the menu to manage the navigation. We want to add something to the website design section. Here we can see the two current elements. We're going to add, in this example, we're adding the e-commerce website design section. We need to add a URL. we're going to tell the software to open up this URL in the same window. Let's click the Save button. We'll go back to the website and reload the page. Here we can see the new item has been added to the navigation. In this example, we want to add it in the 3rd position. So let's go back to the website CMS. Let's set that position to number 2. Let's go back to the main website and refresh. Now we can see the e-commerce website design navigation item is listed at the bottom. Let's click on it. Here you can see the web page has been loaded into the same window. Managing your website navigation is super simple using DCP's CMS system. In this next demonstration video, we're going to use the CMS to add a new testimonial. As we scroll down the home page, we can see a testimonial section here. We can click View More Testimonial to see a full list and load more by clicking here. Let's go to the CMS control panel and go to Page Administration and Testimonials. Here we can see the full list of testimonials. Let's click the Add button. My client has already sent me the testimonial, so I'll simply cut and paste that into the system. We'll add a name and the main testimonial here. Let's create a signature as well. We want this to be a link. We've been given a 4-star rating. Let's click the Save button. We'll select the main option here as well. Let's reload this page. Here we can see the new testimonial with the 4-star rating. Let's go back to the home page. As we scroll down, we can see the same testimonial being displayed here with the other options. By selecting the main option here, it will default and add this testimonial to the home page. We can also position which testimonials display in which order. Here you can see it's been displayed at the top. It's been set to position 1. In this next demonstration video, we'll use the CMS system to update the blog. Let's go to the blog section here. Here we can see various blog posts. Each blog post is placed into a specific category. Each blog post can belong to a specific blog post type. It may be a video, an article, or an infographic. We also have a drop-down menu here to get access to video tutorials on various subject areas. Let's go into the content management system and we'll go to blog and blog pages. Here we can see all the different blog posts. Let's click the Add button. In this example, I'm going to add a video tutorial and it's on graphic design. So I'll select graphic design and videos here and we'll use today's date. I've already prepared the content, so I'll give this blog post a name and a short description. The next thing I want to do is add a YouTube video. I already have the embed code, so I'm going to select the source and paste in the embed code and click the source button again. Let's maximize. Here we can see where the video is going to be displayed. Under the video, we want to add a description. Let's paste that description here. We want to create a download link to GIMP software. Let's highlight this text and click on the link button. We'll tell it to open in a new window. Here we want to add a thumbnail. I've already prepared a thumbnail. We need to give the blog post a URL. We'll give it a title, some keywords, and a description. In the search term section, we'll select GIMP tutorials, as this is a video tutorial. Let's click the save button. Here you can see the new blog item has been added to the website. Let's go back to the blog section and reload the page. Here we can see the new blog post. Let's click on that blog post. Here we can see the title. We can see that it's been added to the graphic design section, and it's also a video. Here we can see the video. We can click the play button and it will start to load the video from YouTube. Here we can see the link to download GIMP. Visitors can also add a comment here. Visitors to this blog post can also share the blog post on their social networks by clicking on these buttons here. We can go to the tutorial categories drop down and select GIMP tutorials. This will give us easy access to this particular video. Here we can see other GIMP tutorials. In this next demonstration video, we're going to use the CMS to add a new showcase project to the portfolio. Let's click on the portfolio here. Here we can see various projects listed on the website. If we click on a project, we'll see the title, the category, various images, a link to the website, and also a main description. Let's go back to the portfolio. Let's log into the control panel and we'll go to page administration and then click on portfolio. Let's click add. I've already prepared the content, so we'll add in a name for the project and we'll set it to e-commerce in the category. We want to add some images. I've already prepared the images. We need to add an alt description for the images here. We'll also add in the main description for the project here. Here we need to add in the website URL. And we'll add in the title, the keywords, and a short description. Let's click the save button. We've now added the item to the portfolio section. Let's find our item. We can see it's listed here. We want to set the position number so it will display at the top of the portfolio. Let's refresh the page and here we can see the new item that's been added to the portfolio. Let's click on that. Here we'll see the title, the category, the various images we've added. We'll also see the main description and a link to the website. Let's click on that link. Here we can see the website. Let's go back. As you can see, showcasing your work using DCP's portfolio management system is super simple. You can add your own categories and you can list any type of projects in here. They don't have to be web related. They could be anything to do with the type of work that you do. In this next demonstration video, we'll use the CMS system to make some quick updates to the homepage. As we scroll down this homepage, we'll see various sections. We'll see the completed project section here, showcasing the work. We'll also see the latest news items here, and we'll see the blog posts here. We want to use the CMS system to make quick updates to these three sections. Let's go to the CMS. We'll go to the blog first and click on blog pages. In this main column we can select the blog post which will display on the home page. We can go to the page administration and news. We'll also select some news items to display on the home page. Let's go to the portfolio section. We'll select this Jedi robe, the digital age media, the simplicity and the Cafe Thrift project to display on the home page. Let's go back to the home page. If we refresh, we'll see the GIMP tutorials are displayed here. We'll see our latest news item is also displayed here now, the one we added in the previous example. If we scroll up, we'll see the Jedi robe, the digital age media, the simplicity and the Cafe Thrift project are now displayed here. We can easily make updates to the home page using a few simple mouse clicks. In this next video I'll demonstrate the power of custom elements. Let's go to the website design and overview page. Here we can see two sections, business mobile friendly website and e-commerce mobile friendly websites. Let's scroll down and we can see columns of data. At the bottom we can see view more info and get a free quote. Our goal is to take all of this content and display it on a separate page. Let's go back to the home page. Here we can see a link. Clicking on this link will take us to the About Us page. Let's go into the content management system. We'll go to page administration and then custom elements. Inside the custom elements we'll see a section called website design. We'll edit this section to take a look at the information. Here we can see the same information displayed on the website design overview page. We'll copy this tag called custom element number 8. Let's go to the page administration and pages section. We'll edit the About Us page. Here we'll scroll down and paste this custom element. Let's save the page. We'll go back to the website and reload the About Us page. As we scroll down we can see that all of the content from the overview page is now displayed on the About Us page. Custom elements allow you to share content between multiple pages with a few simple mouse clicks.